going to make these tulips. For this craft, we need very less materials. All we need is 2 origami papers. One can be any color you want and the other can be green. So we need to take this green for the stem and your other color for the flower. So take your green and keep it aside and take your other origami paper and fold it into a triangle. Like this. Now we need to unfold it and then fold it the other way so that there's a line coming in the center. Now we need to open it again and then flip it around and turn it around so there will be like these 2 dents. We need to now fold it in half. Then we need to fold it the other way. Okay, now we have to flip it like this. And do you see these 2 corners over here? They're like poking out. You see these 2 corners poking out? So we need to drag these 2 corners to the center and then press down the top. So we get a smaller triangle. You need to fold this corner to the center. If you make it, there should be a little light line. So you have to fold the corners to that line like this. Now it should be a diamond. We need to do the same on this side. Let's get started. Okay, fold it along that light line. Okay, there we go. Okay, now it should look like a little diamond, right? And then if you can see, there are like, you can open it here and then you can do the same on the other side. So you get a nice clean diamond. It's like clean, but there's still a center line, right? Okay, so next we need to take this corner and then fold it past the center line on both sides. Let me show you. So here you can take this corner and then you see the center line. You need to take it past the center line, and then for the next one you need to align it with the center line. So now in the center you can see that little pocket. There's a little pocket, right? There's a little pocket. So we need to take the one that you aligned with the line and put it inside of that cute little pocket. There we go. And then we have to do the same on the other side. Okay, there we go. Now it should look like this. It looks like a small joker face, right? So now we need to open up these holes like this. And then you'll see there's a smaller hole on the bottom. It's an itty bitty hole. So we need to blow into it. Okay, and then use your table to make it flat. And look, we got a pyramid. So now we need to take one of these petals on the top. All the petals should be on the top. So we need to just peel it down. Peel each petal down. There are 4 petals. Okay. And there. Now your tulip should look like this. But isn't something missing? You're right, the stem is missing. So now we need to keep our flower aside, our tulip aside, and take our green paper. Now, so first we need to fold all our green paper into a triangle. So then we need to take this corner and then put it on the line that we made before. Okay, make sure that the top is aligned. The more aligned it is, the better your flower turns out. Your flower and stem turns out. Again on the other side. Now we have to take this corner and then bring it also along the line like this. So we need to take this corner and then do the bottom. Don't do the top, do the bottom. And do the same for the other side. Now it should look like this. Now we need to do the same for the top. So let's do it also again. Everything needs to be aligned if you want to get a good stem. A good stem equals a good making. Now it should look like this. It looks like a very sharp thorn and it's clean on the back. It looks like a sharp thorn. Ouch. Okay, so now we need to take the bottom. So flip it around and take the bottom and bring it to the top. Not all the way on the top, just leave a thumb space on the top. Fold it in half and then take this. You see, this is going to be the stem and this is going to be the leaf. So we need to slowly take. It's better to make it like this and then to fold it down and then close it to make it perfect. Now we got the stem. Are you ready? Let's put it on our flowers. Look, our flower is ready. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you want to see more videos, just like, share and subscribe. See you in another video. Bye.